Next, oxidation, calculate oxidation state of chromium in CrO5. Calculate oxidation state of chromium in CrO5. Dhari, tell me answer. CR, if you are taken as X plus 5 into -2 in common oxides, oxygen shows -2 oxidation state. That is equal to 0.
Plus 10, sir.
X minus 10 equal to 0. X equal to plus 10. But what is the highest oxidation state in periodic table? Yesterday we discussed it is. What is the highest oxidation state in periodic table? That is plus 8. They are shown by osmium, iridium or xenon. Plus 10. So it is wronger one. This is the structure of CrO5. Cr, double bond O, oxygen, oxygen. Now tell me what is our answer? If two oxygen atoms are directly linked together, then it is said to be which linkage? Peroxy linkage. In peroxy linkage, each and every oxygen shows -1 oxidation state. This oxygen shows -2. Now tell me what is the answer?
-6, sir.
Very good. X plus 4 oxygen shows -1 oxidation state plus 1 oxygen shows -2 oxidation state equal to 0. X minus 6 equal to 0. From there, X equal to plus 6. Copy them. Copy up to here, Amma. Let's copy it, Amma. Next one. Sorry, copy down.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Calculate oxidation state of phosphorus in H3PO5. H3PO5, peroxophosphoric acid. Name of the H3PO5 is peroxyphosphoric acid. Calculate it is oxidation state of phosphorus. Phosphorus is taken as X plus 3 into 1 plus 1 plus 5 into -2 is equals to 0. So X plus 3 minus 10 is equals to 0. X equal to plus 7. Is this right? Phosphorus belongs to which group? Yesterday we already discussed it is oxidation state of any element never exceeds its group number. Phosphorus belongs to 5th group element, but what we get here plus 7, so it is wrong. In such type of cases you must write this structure, then only you can easily understand it, right? Now write the structure of H3PO5. P double bond O, 1 OH, and one more double bond O. This is the structure of H3PO5, peroxophosphoric acid. In peroxy linkage, each and every oxygen shows which oxidation state? -1 oxidation state. Now these three are common, -2. Hydrogen normally shows +1 oxidation state with non-metals. Now tell me, Amma. Phosphorus is taken as X plus. How many oxygen shows -2? 1, 2, 3. 3 into -2. And 2 oxygen shows -1 plus 2 hydrogen shows +1 oxidation states, and total charge on the molecule is 0. Now X minus 6 -2 and +2 is equals to 0. -2 plus 2 gets cancelled. X equal to +6. In H3PO5, phosphorus shows +6 oxidation state. Right? Next one, next exceptional one. All these are most important one, and previous year need questions. What we are discussing now. Next one, what is the oxidation state of aluminum in LiAlH4? Lithium aluminium hydride. That is called LiAlH4, called lithium aluminium hydride. What is the oxidation state of aluminium LiAlH4? Try to calculate it is. Saida Juaria. Try to say, Amma. Once you see yesterday's class, already we discussed it there, Amma. What they are? Rules to write oxidation states. Right? Here lithium is metal and aluminum is also metal. With the metals, hydrogen shows which type of oxidation state? Positive or negative? Negative oxidation state. With the metals, hydrogen always shows negative oxidation state, that is -1. With the non-metals, hydrogen shows positive oxidation state, that is +1. Now tell me, lithium belongs to which group? 1A group element. So all 1A group element shows +1 oxidation state. Here underlined species is taken as X plus. Lithium belongs to 1A group element, so it shows +1 oxidation state. And here we are having four hydrogens. 4 hydrogen shows -1 oxidation state is equal to 0. X plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. X minus 3 is equals to 0. X equal to +3. In lithium aluminium hydride, aluminum shows +3 oxidation state. Here what is exceptional one? Hydrogen. Hydrogen with metals shows negative oxidation state, because of metals are more electropositive. Metals are more electropositive. Metals must show positive oxidation state. Metals never shows negative oxidation state. That is where hydrogen shows here negative oxidation state. Right? Clear? Any doubt up to here? Next one. Next exceptional case, that is sodium borohydride, NaBH4. Calculate oxidation state of boron in sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride. Calculate oxidation state of boron in sodium borohydride. Sodium belongs to which group? 1A group element. So it always shows +1 oxidation state. Here underlined species is taken as X plus +1 oxidation state for sodium. and 4 hydrogens are there. Each hydrogen shows -1 oxidation state and total charge is 0. Total charge on the molecule is equal to 0. So x plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X equal to
+3.
SMR plus 3. With the metals, hydrogen always shows negative oxidation state, that is -1. SMR plus 3. Once copy up to here. All these are exceptional cases. And all these are previous year NEET questions. All are simple. But if you know the concept and if you know where we have exception, it is very easy. Amma. Copy fast. Next one, next important topic, that is balancing of redox reaction. How to find oxidizing agent and how to find reducing agent. Oxidant and reductant. Oxidizing agent is also called oxidant. Reducing agent is also called reductant. Right? Next one, Seema, what is meant by oxidation? And what is meant by reduction? Oxidation and reduction. Addition of oxygens. Addition of oxygens is also called oxidation, and removal of hydrogens is also called reduction. Sorry, oxidation, and removal of electrons. Removal of electrons is also called oxidation. Same addition of oxygen. Example for addition of oxygen. S plus O2 gives to SO2. This process is said to be oxidation process. Addition of oxygen to any metal or non-metal is said to be oxidation. Next one, removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen is also called oxidation. H2S plus Cl2 used to 2HCl plus sulfur. Addition of oxygen is also called oxidation, and removal of hydrogen is also called oxidation. And next one, most important one, this is most important one. Removal of electrons called oxidation. For example, if I am taking magnesium, from magnesium, if you have to remove 2 electrons, what we get? Mg plus 2 and 2 electrons. This process is called oxidation. If you are taking 2Cl minus, it gives Cl2 and 2 electrons. This process is said to be oxidation. Removal of electrons, addition of oxygen, and removal of hydrogen. These three are actually, we are having more 2 different statements. On addition of electronegative element, removal of electropositive element are also called oxidation, but we are using these 3 only. In entire our syllabus, we are using for oxidation these 3 methods: addition of oxygens and removal of hydrogens, removal of electrons, or loss of electrons is also called oxidation. Now coming to reduction process, quite opposite to oxidation. And addition of hydrogens. Addition of hydrogens is called reduction. Addition of hydrogens is called reduction, and removal of oxygens is also called reduction. Addition of electrons is also called reduction. First one is addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is also called reduction. The process of addition of hydrogen, H2 plus Cl2 gives to 2HCl. H2 plus Cl2 gives to 2HCl. This process is called reduction. For example, if I am having ZnO, to zinc oxide we are adding carbon of it. It gives Zn plus CO. A removal of oxygen from ZnO called reduction. To Mg plus 2, we are adding 2 electrons. What do we get? A magnesium. To calcium, Ca plus 2 ion. Here we are adding 2 electrons. From there, what we get? Ca. This is the main difference between oxidation and reduction. Can anyone have doubt about oxidation and reduction, Amma? First statement, that is for oxidation, the addition of oxygens, the process of addition of oxygen, or the process of removal of hydrogen, or the process of removal of electrons is called oxidation. Now coming to reduction, the process of addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, and addition of electrons called reduction. Right? Once copy up here, Amma. Yes. These are in electronic method is the most important one. Now coming to oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent always takes electron. Reducing agent always ready to give electrons. Then you can easily identify. That is, if metals always acts like reducing agents. Same 1A group elements, 2A group elements. If you are observing all 1A group elements acts like strong reducing agents. Why they act like strong reducing agents? Because of if they lose their valency electron, if they lose their one valency electron, they're ready to attain octet configuration, stable electronic configuration. Due to this reason, they are ready to lose electrons. That is why they act like reducing agents. Itself they undergo reduction. Sorry, itself they undergo oxidation, reduce, removal of electrons. Now, how can we
Completed, sir.
identify? Ma?
Completed, sir.
Yes, Amma. Next one. Now, Sema, how to balance the redox reaction? In balancing of redox reactions, we are having two methods. One is oxidation number method. Second one is ion electron method. If you can use any one, you get same answer. And Sema, what is that? First question. Balancing of redox reactions. Fe plus 2 MnO4 minus Fe plus 3 plus Mn plus 2. Balance this redox reaction in acidic medium. Balance this redox reaction in acidic medium by oxidation number method. Once all of you copy the question number, Fe plus 2 plus MnO4 minus gives to Fe plus 3 plus Mn plus 2. Our question is Fe plus 2 plus MnO4 minus. Is this visible, Amma? No. From here it is visible. Fe plus 2 plus MnO4 minus gives to Fe plus 3 plus Mn plus 2. This is our question. Balance this question in acidic medium. Balance this question in acidic medium by oxidation number method. By oxidation number method. See, oxidation number method very easy. So in balancing of hydro in acidic medium or basic medium, first listen, in acidic medium. In acidic medium, oxygen atoms are balanced by adding H2O molecule, and hydrogens are balanced by adding H plus ions. In acidic medium, not only in oxidation number method, in ion electron method. In these two methods, in acidic medium, oxygen atoms are balanced by adding H2O molecules, and hydrogens are balanced by adding H plus ions. This is most important one. Now in first step, what you can do, in first step, balance the given atoms. After that, say here are 1 Fe plus 2 and here also 1 Fe plus 3, already balanced. What about manganese? First balance other than oxygen and hydrogen atoms. In this equation, what we have? Other than oxygen and hydrogen, iron and manganese. Left side irons, only 1. Right hand side, 1. Left hand side number of manganese are 1. Right hand side number of manganese are also 1. So number of Fe manganese already balanced in given question. Now find the oxidation states. See, listen carefully. This is most important one. See, from Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 3, oxidation number increases or decreases? Oxidation number increases. So removal of electrons takes place. So then it is said to be oxidation, right? This process is called oxidation. In MnO4 minus, what is the oxidation state of manganese? In MnO4 minus, oxidation state of manganese is plus 7. Calculate, try to calculate is 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 1. 4 to 8. Then in MnO4 minus, magnesium plus 7 oxidation state, here plus 2. Tell me, Amma, from here to here change is said to be which type of change it is? Reduction or oxidation?
Reduction.
Reduction. Oxidation number decreases. If oxidation number increases, then it is said to be oxidation. If oxidation number decreases, then it is said to be reduction. This process is called reduction. Now, what is how much of increment in the oxidation number in oxidation process? From plus 2 to plus 3, oxidation number 1 unit increases. 1 unit increases. But what about in reduction process? How much of charge decreases from plus 7 to plus 2? From plus 7 to plus 2, how much of charge decreases?
5, sir.
Yes, 5 units charge decreases. In oxidation process, 1 unit charge increases. In reduction process, 5 unit charge decreases. Now, in oxidation number method, first we have to balance oxidation numbers by Kriska's method. See, Amma, this 5 unit change is multiplied with oxidation process. 1 unit change is multiplied with the reduction process. All of you clear about this point, Amma? In this step, what we have to do? In this step, balance oxidation numbers. To balance oxidation numbers, what we are doing? We are doing, see, Amma, here, change what we get? Here 5 units decreases. 5 units decrement is multiplied with the oxidation process. Here 1 unit increment is multiplied with the reduction process. So from there what we get? 5 Fe plus 2 plus 1 into MnO4 minus. Again MnO4 minus gives to 5 into Fe plus 3 plus 1 into Mn plus 2, same 1 into Mn plus 2. All of you clear about up to here? Anyone have doubt? Lahari, Siddharth, Saida, Anjani, sorry.
No doubt, sir.
Janavi.
No doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Now see, ma'am, in acidic medium, now number of irons are balanced, number of manganese are balanced, and oxidation numbers are also balanced up to here. Now, see, ma'am, in this equation, what we are access? oxygens are excess. In which side? Left hand side. How many oxygens are excess here? 4 oxygens are excess in left hand side. Now to add oxygens, what we required, what we have to add? H2O molecules. How many H2O molecules are required? How
Four.
many yes, Amma, very good.
4, sir.
How many H2O molecules are required? 4 H2O molecules
4,
are
sir.
required. In which side, Amma? Right hand side. 4 H2O. Now in this equation, what we get excess?
H2 are excess, sir.
Hydrogens are excess, not H2O. Now oxygens are balanced. Left hand side, how many oxygens are there? 4. Right hand side, we are adding 4 water molecules. From there, oxygens are also balanced. Now in this equation, which terms are excess? Hydrogens. How many are excess? 4 twos are 4 into 2, Amma. 8 hydrogens are excess. So to balance hydrogens, what we have to add? H plus ions. To balance hydrogens, we have to add H plus ions. How many H plus ions are required, Amma, in left hand side?
8 H plus ions.
8 H plus ions. Right? Now once check. Already this equation is balanced. This is balanced reaction. Number of Fe, left hand side 5, right hand side also 5. Number of Mn, left hand side 1, right hand side 1.
1.
Number of oxygens, left hand side 4, right hand side also 4. 4 2 4 1 0 4. Number of hydrogens, right hand side 4 2 8, left hand side 8.
8.
Now coming to charges, see Amma here, how many positive charges are there? 8 positive
8.
charges from 8H plus. See Amma here, 5 2s are 5 into 2.
10.
Yes. Plus 10 positive charges, only 1 into minus 1. Here 1 actually it is 1 MnO4 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Actually number of positive charges are plus 18, 1 negative charge. See Amma, 1 negative charge is neutralized by 1 positive charge. The remaining positive charges are plus 17. All of you clear up to here, Amma?
Yes, sir.
How we can get plus 17? Right, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. In left hand side, total positive charges are plus 17. Coming to right hand side, see Amma, 5 3s are 15. 15 positive charges. And 1 Mn contains 2 positive charges.
2 positive charges.
Now total
sir.
positive charges in right hand side, that is plus 17.
17.
Right? That is it. We can
Yes.
call it is balanced equation. Actually, Amma, if you understand, you can do within 5 minutes in only single line. Once copy up to here, Amma.
Okay, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes, sir. Next one. MnO4 minus plus Br minus used to MnO2 plus BrO3 minus. Oxidation number method. See, Amma, if arrow mark contains H plus ions, then it is said to be balance the redox reaction in basic medium, in acidic medium. If it contains H plus, then it is said to be balanced redox reaction in acidic medium. But here we are having OH minus, balanced redox reaction in basic medium. They do, sometimes they do not mention. So we have to identify them in which medium. Once all of you copy the question, MnO4 minus plus Br minus gives to MnO4 minus plus Br minus gives to MnO2 plus BrO3. MnO2 plus BrO3. Our question is MnO4 minus plus Br minus gives to MnO2 plus BrO3 minus, right? Now try to balance them, Amma. Try to balance now. In basic medium, once reason, Amma. In basic medium, same oxygens are balanced by adding OH minus ions. Hydrogens are balanced by adding H2O molecule. This is the difference between acidic medium and basic medium. And entire remaining process is same. Entire remaining process is same. In basic medium, oxygens are balanced by OH minus ions and hydrogens are balanced by H2O molecule. But in the case of acidic medium, oxygens are balanced by adding H2O molecule. Hydrogens are balanced by adding H plus ions. Right? Now balance it. First calculate oxidation numbers. Balance redox reaction in basic medium by oxidation number method, right? So if in oxidation number method, first write the oxidation states of all the metals, all central atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Oxidation state of Mn in MnO4 minus, that is +7. Already we get Br minus -1. In MnO2 manganese oxidation state
+4.
in
Sir.
MnO2
+4.
yes, +4. In BrO3 minus oxidation state of bromine is oxidation state of bromine in BrO3 minus oxygen
+5.
shows yes, +5. 3 to the 6 equal to -1. -6 equal to -1. +6 -1. That is +5. From here to here, here to here. What are changes? Tell me, Amma. From MnO4 minus to MnO2. What is change called? Oxidation number increases or decreases? Here oxidation number decreases. Decreasing in oxidation number called?
Reduction.
Yes, very good, Amma. That is called reduction.
Reduction.
Here increasing in oxidation number from -1 to +5. It is said to be oxidation.
Oxidation.
Ma? Please mute your mic. This process is said to be oxidation and this process is said to be reduction. Now tell me, my reduction change. How many units of oxidation number decreases? From +7 to +4. Decrement is?
3.
3.
Yes, Amma. 3 units decrement. Oxidation number 3 units decreases. But how many units of oxidation number increases from -1 to +5?
4.
From -1 to +5.
6, sir.
Yes, very good, Amma. That is
6.
6. Right? From 0 to 5, 5. From -1 to 5, that is 6. Now, what should we do, Amma, now? Now we have to balance oxidation numbers. In balancing of oxidation numbers, say 3 units decreasing in of reduction oxidation number is multiply with oxidation process, and with the reduction process is multiply with
Reduction process.
yes, Amma. Change get how much we get change here? 6. So reduction process is multiply with 6, and oxidation process is multiply with how much, Amma? With
3.
3. So tell me how much it is. 6 MnO4 minus plus 3 Br minus gives to 6 MnO2 plus next time what we get 3 BrO3 minus, right? Other than oxygen and hydrogen is already balanced here. Now what should we do? First balance oxygen atoms. Oxygen atoms are balanced by adding OH minus. Now count how many oxygens are there in left hand side.
10.
No, 6 4s are
24.
24 oxygen atoms are there in left hand side. Now how many oxygen atoms are there in right hand side? 12
12.
plus
9.
9. 21. Now how many required?
3. 3.
3 are required in which side, Amma? Right hand side, left hand side?
Right hand side.
Right hand side.
So in balancing of oxygens, what should we add?
OH.
OH minus. So actually how many are required, Amma? 3, right?
Yes, sir.
3 OH minus. Now in this equation, which terms are excess? Which terms are excess? Hydrogens are excess in right hand side. How many hydrogens are excess? 3 hydrogens are excess.
3.
Is there possibility to add 3 hydrogens?
No, sir.
No. That is why we are adding 3H2O. That is why we are adding 3H2O. Exactly opposite side add more 3OH minus ions. Exactly opposite side add more 3OH minus ions. Now see, Amma, in this equation, oxygens, hydrogens, number of manganese and bromines all are balanced, right? One check it. Number of bromines are 3. Left hand side, number of bromines are 3 in right hand side. Next, number of manganese 6 in left hand side. Number of manganese 6 in right hand side. Now count number of oxygens in left hand side. Here 3 plus 24. 27 oxygen atoms are there in left hand side. Right hand side 6. 6 2s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 3 plus 3.
27, sir.
26.
Yes, Amma. 27 oxygens are balanced. Now what about hydrogens? How many hydrogens are there?
6 hydrogens.
6
6
hydrogens.
hydrogens are in left hand side. What about right hand side?
6
sir.
hydrogens.
So all are balanced,
Balanced.
right?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have doubt up to here?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, Amma. From tomorrow we will discuss about ion electron method. Okay, Amma. Thank you. Bye for now, Amma.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.